Hey guys, welcome back. So I am going to be cleaning up this patio. I want to decorate it for fall. I want to like switch up the colors, change out the rug, but I'm not going to do that just yet. The patio is a mess. We didn't get too much damage from the hurricane. We did get a lot of rain and it was kind of windy. It knocked down this plant and the glass inside of the vase cracked, so I need to clean that up. Something else I need to do is treat the patio with like a bug spray repellent type of spray, and the yard as well, because we have noticed a lot of bugs getting in, and the last time I treated the patio was maybe around spring. And this is what I'm going to be using to help me control the bugs and hopefully keep them out. I'm going to do the Sunday Bug Doom. This is a kit that I received and they are kindly sponsoring today's video, so I really have to thank them for that. But I have the outdoor spray for the yard, which is this big one here, and you also get this electric sprayer, and this one is the home insect control. So if you have issues inside, like a bug got in and you just need a spot treatment, then you can use this. Safe to use inside, but you can also use it outdoors as well. You can take your free pest analysis today and get started with $10 off of your pest control plan with Sunday by clicking the link below. But I'm going to show you just how easy it is to select your plan. Sunday provides a fantastic and customizable pest control and prevention plan for your home and lawn. I love how easy it is to do the free pest analysis, which will help you figure out the products you need to protect your home. When you go on the site, you'll enter your home address. The information from your location will determine the type of plan Sunday thinks you'll need. It'll also have you select the issues you're having to recommend the best plan for you. I already have my plan, so it's not going to ask me that question, but once you make your selections, the recommended plan will pop up, and it's a quick and easy process. And with the barrier, you can't spray this on your lawn, but you do not want to put it directly on your plants because, you know, it could kill your plants. So just remember that. But yeah, you can spray it on surfaces, which is what I'm going to put all around the patio. And this one I'm going to just keep in the house for like spot treatments, because bugs will still get in. They always do. And when that's the case, I can just use this. I'm not having any issues inside right now, so I don't need to spray this around the house. I will have this linked in the description box if you want to get your hands on it. I'm going to go ahead and fix up the patio now, and then I'll start spraying. I'm gonna go ahead and wash these cushions because they are stained, and I'll just have to spot clean the back cushions, or maybe use my deep cleaner, but I'm not gonna do that today on the back cushions because I cannot remove them. But the back cushions aren't really stained like the seat cushions, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the seat cushions in the wash, and I'll deal with the back cushions later. going to take my cushion covers inside so I can wash them, and I'm going to vacuum the patio because the broom was shedding all over the rug, and I do have glass on the rug as well, so I definitely don't want to be trying to sweep that up. It would be so much better to just vacuum.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew.
There are so many dead baby frogs on the patio. I'm pretty sure I just vacuumed like 3 or 4. There's another one, don't know if you guys can really see it. I found a bigger one like a week ago. I'm pretty sure that one was the mom, and some of her babies, they were on the kids' pool, and I put them back in the yard. I do have a draft stopper in front of the door, but whenever I fill the pool, I have to bring the hose in and leave the door open, so maybe one got in that way. We won't be using the pool for the rest of the season, so I don't have to worry about leaving the door open and, you know, frogs and lizards and stuff getting inside of the patio. So hopefully I don't have this issue again with frogs.
Like you do. Your places like
I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down this bench because it is dusty. I'll do the chairs as well. Everything is dusty, so I do need to wipe it all down. And I'm just using some all-purpose cleaner. Is the Fabuloso all-purpose cleaner, and I just have it in this bottle mixed with some water. It's not my favorite cleaner to use, but it'll do for today because I do like the smell.
Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. You can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening. Lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you.
Let me go rinse my towel out because I don't have a bucket of water with me. Alright, now that I am done cleaning the patio, it smells really good out here. It smells like Fabuloso in Tide laundry detergent. It smells really good. But I'm gonna go ahead and protect it with the Sunday Bug Doom Barrier. I'm gonna use that one. Love that it comes with this automatic sprayer, and it has batteries already, so you don't need to buy your own batteries. It comes with batteries, so that's great. I'm gonna connect it and just spray around the entire patio. I need to spray around the entire house, the windowsills, everywhere. But I am gonna just do the patio in this video. I'll do the rest of the areas off camera. I just want to focus on the patio for right now. So you can adjust how the spray comes out. If you want it to be more of like a mist, then you will turn it counterclockwise, and if you want it to jet out, then you can just turn it clockwise. Alright, so this is me speaking from the future. I just wanted to come back on and include this voice over here as I was editing the video, but I just want to let you guys know what I think. The patio has been bug free, so I'm really loving that. I can open my back doors again to let the fresh air in without worrying about bugs getting in too. A week ago, couldn't do that, but now I can, so I'm really happy about that. So definitely take your free pest analysis and get started with $10 off your pest control plan with Sunday by clicking the link below. Alright, so I am done with today's video. I'm happy the patio is nice and clean. I can just come out here and relax. I do need to get some tie backs for those two curtains. I had some, but the kids, they like to come out here and play with them, and two of them unraveled, so I need to get some new ones. I hope you enjoyed watching, guys. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.